Let's laminate my brows while we talk about the moisture barrier and dehydrated skin. A damaged moisture barrier lead to dehydrated skin? Absolutely. Think of your skin barrier as your skin's first line of defense. If that is broken, then you're going to start experiencing what we call transepidermal water loss. The skin just is not going to be able to maintain its hydration levels because it doesn't have that solid barrier in place. Does dehydrated skin cause excess oil production? 100% yes. This is your skin's natural response in trying to fix the damaged barrier. It's creating excess oils because your skin is dry, so it's trying to do its best. That's why you find people with oily skin tend to get even more oily because they're not moisturizing, because they think that I have a lot of oil, so I don't need moisture, but the excess oil is because you're lacking in moisture in your skin barrier. Is a damaged skin barrier permanent? Luckily, it is not. Signs of a damaged skin barrier include red, itchy, irritated skin. If you're using gentle products, you may experience stinging, you may be breaking out, and excess oil production. To repair your skin barrier, the first thing you're going to want to do is stop all active ingredients in your skincare routine. This includes exfoliants, things like AHAs, BHAs, including vitamin C. The reason for actives is to stimulate cell turnover, and because you want to repair your skin barrier and have your cells mend back together, so to speak, you don't want to add in anything that's going to cause separation in your skin cells, because that's going to make it harder to repair. Look for products that have hydrating and nourishing ingredients like humectants, hyaluronic acid and glycerin, and ingredients like niacinamide, ceramides, and allantoin. If you follow this nourishing and gentle skincare protocol, you should begin to see results within 4 to 6 weeks. By the way, make sure that your cleanser is also gentle and has no actives. Even though you think you're just washing it down the drain and washing it off, it still will have an effect on your skin barrier. I hope this information helps, and these are my finished brows.